quick video on one way to taper a table leg. This is a jig that I've made up, just a sliding jig. If we turn it over, you'll see there's a runner over here that aligns with the miter slot in the table saw, such that this line now is the exact cut line of the blade. On top of that, I have a little contraption here that's fully adjustable in and out from the blade. And what I can do with this jig is loosen these knobs and set two positions. One is the final taper of the leg down here. This is how thin it's going to be. The other is the point at which I want to begin the taper on the leg. And then by pushing the stock through, we'll get a nice taper on that leg. So let's see if we can do that right now for you. I'm going to put a leg blank in here, and I've got it aligned to this location right here. Press it in tight, bottoming it out at the end. And I'm going to lower these clamps, which will hold the leg in place as I begin to saw. So let's make that cut. Okay, so this particular leg is going to be tapered on two sides. So my next move would be to flip the leg so that I can taper an adjacent side. And I'm down to my stop on the bottom. I'm tied up against my reference fence here. I'm going to lock this down. I'm going to lock this down. Oh no, this is too short. What do we do here? Well, that's pretty easy. We've got this cutoff right here. So we'll take this cutoff and just find a place where it makes a good hold down. Now we're tight again. Back this off a little. And we have our second taper on the leg. Let's pull it out of here, and hopefully you can get a view of that leg and its taper. A little bit of saw marks here, one quick pass with the smoothing plane, and that's all evened up. And that's how I taper legs.